Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Smash on that subscribe button. Give your girl a thumbs up to let me know you're fucking with me. Okay? Because this is going to be a quick video. I felt like I didn't give my travel bag enough credit that I got from Shein. So, here we are. I got little baby out. And we going to pack it. Because I need y'all to know how much stuff could actually fit in here. Look at this. So I'm about to go to town, so we got to pack it. Let go. Alright, so if you guys remember in my Shein haul, I just showed a picture of this bag because it was already packed because I was going out of town and in my suitcase. But this bag has 3 separate compartments, well really 4. But on this top one, I like to keep my hair stuff in this one. So like clips, ponytail holders, bobby pins, combs. Simply because the next pocket has the nets and I don't want the clips and stuff to stick out and puncture me or any of my products. So I like to keep it in a clear one because the plastic kind of keeps it in. So pocket number 2 is kind of where I keep my travel, like facial, and as you can see, feminine products, because you never know. You never know. Take a penny liner with you, okay? So I have my Dr. Dennis facial cleansing pads in there. I have my Travel Dermalogica exfoliant cleaner. Listen, when I tell you when you in Sephora, get the samples. This is why I get the samples, because I have so many that I don't ever have to take full-size containers with me anywhere. Here's the Kiehl's Overnight Recovery Serum. The travel size, hello, because I don't have to take my full bottle. And guess what I could do with this bottle? Refill it with my big bottle. Okay, so we all know that our cotton rounds come in that big long pack. You know, when you finally get done with a pack, just cut that joint in half, and now you got a little carrying case for your cotton rounds so they don't be getting dirty by everything else. You know, you feel me? All right, and then this one is just another oil. Again, get the travel size. So here is a shaver, because you know, if you anything like me and hairy, them sideburns, that chin hair, that lip hair is gonna grow back while you're out of town. It's gonna grow back. So let's move on to the big pouch. Listen, y'all, do you see all those compartments? Do you see all those compartments? Let's pack it up, okay? Let me just show y'all everything I can fit in there. We gonna start it off with our wipes, because yeah, we all know why we take wipes with us. We gonna start it off with the wipes, and then next I'm gonna put in the poop spray, because you know 1 + 1 equals 2. Those two go hand in hand. You can't forget those. To go with my cotton rounds, I got my Micellar Water, the travel size. Again, you can refill these things. Get the travel size and refill. Just like this Caress bottle, it's really Dove in there. But yeah, we got our shower gel. Next, we got our toothpaste. We're going to put that at the bottom. Next, we have that good old Summer's Eve spray, because we not having thighs chafing this summer. No thigh chafing this summer. Next, we have another facial cleanser, the Kiehl's facial cleanser, the Ultra facial cleanser. Our travel deodorant, the Big Dove. You know, once you move, you got to figure out what deodorant matches your pH. Not saying that you can't just figure out which deodorant match your pH. That's just a jewel, okay? It's my travel toothbrush. Here is my, I think this is Kiehl's avocado eye cream. And then we have our pharmacy makeup remover. That's what that white spatula went to. And then we have some makeup wipes. Look at that. Look at all of that fit right in there just nicely. Like, come on now. You can't go wrong with that. So Here is our last little pocket. The fourth pocket is what I'm calling it. I put my earrings in here because they just lay flat and you don't have to worry about, you don't got to worry about them, okay? So just so you know, these earrings, I'm gonna put the link to these in the description. Got them on Amazon for $12.99, folks. It's not a drill. Click the link in my description and buy those joints. Those little small ones I got from Amazon too. But look at that. Look at all of the stuff that I was able to fit in here. Look at that. Now I only need one more bag for my makeup and makeup brushes. They all fit in one bag and voila. Voila. Look at that travel bag. Shein does it again. And I want to say this bag was for the low. Okay, yes. So I did just check. The bag was $5 and it's called the large travel toiletries bag. Large travel toiletries bag, $5 on Shein. Don't say I never put you on. And you know, just in case you ever forgot what to pack in your toiletries bag, here you go too. It's been real. It's your girl Fee putting you on. Thanks for packing my travel bag with me. If you made it this far to the end, I fucks with you and you fucks with me. Peace.